My YouTube friends and family members. The topic of my today's video is extremely important and hot in itself because all of you, my YouTube friends and family members, are liking different type of hand embroidery patterns for dresses. And similarly, my this video is in the continuation of my those videos into which you have been requesting me to share beautiful, unique, stylish, trendy, and at the same time easy to make hand embroidery neckline design ideas, hand embroidery designs for dresses, for kurtis, for shirts, for gowns, for maxi dresses. Friends, the beauty of these designs is that these designs are 3-in-1. That is, you can use these dresses for Eastern look, you can use these dresses for Western look, and you can use these dresses for East-West combination based look as well. So let's move towards the basic essentials. That is, you need embroidery threads, and the embroidery thread you can use for making these patterns is anchor, DMC, and even you can use wool and silk or satin ribbons for making these embroidery patterns. These very beautiful neckline embroidery patterns have been made by using simple, easy and basic embroidery stitches like ring knot, bullion knot, French knot, lazy daisy, satin stitch, wheel stitch, fly stitch, stem stitch, chain stitch, and some of the other basic hand embroidery stitches that are extremely friendly for hand embroidery beginners as well. So guys, I hope that you like my ideas, you are liking my patterns, and please share your experiences with us in the comment section, that if you have tried any of the pattern and how that pattern looked like and what was the reaction of the people who saw your that hand embroidery art. For watching more creative, stylish and beautiful